from McPherson's, or I don't know how you say it really, but it has a COA too. I don't know how people do these videos. Nice. Let's see. Oh, in case there's anything wrong with the vinyl. Inspect it. My guess is because sometimes artists don't do that. Got some good lighting in here, I think. I mean, I guess it's good. Okay. So I got this little one. Cayle. Is it Cayle? 1,163 out of 1,300. So make sure my hands are clean. Let's start with our little legs and our feet. I love the little scrawniness. Love that. Cute. And here's another limb. Feet. Got little toes. Oh, I love that. And we got my favorite. What really sold me on the kit is his hands. His hands. They're everything. Love the hands. I'm trying to be real quiet. So detailed. Beautiful. Delicate. Oh my god. My heart. This is like a real freaking baby. This is insane. Oh, I'm so in love with this. When the kit is so beautiful that just adding paint almost kind of scares you because it's just so gorgeous. Oh my gosh. I am in love with this baby. I'm gonna cuddle him. It's a, like, I feel like it's a boy. Just because I keep saying him. Okay, so this is him. So cute. He's gonna be 19 inches long. And I am going to be bringing him to life. Anyway, bye guys.